Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload, read, and scan images with Google AI Studio. This is a powerful tool that allows you to analyze images using artificial intelligence, making it incredibly useful for understanding visual content, extracting information, or simply identifying what's in a picture. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to asstudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that has access to AI Studio, as this will ensure you can take full advantage of all the features available on the platform. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface. Here, you'll see several options for different tools and features. Click on Playground. This is the main workspace where you'll interact with Google's AI models. Once you're in the Playground section, look for the Images option and click on it. This specifically prepares the environment to handle image-based queries, allowing the AI to process and analyze visual content. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a plus icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Upload Files. This action will open a file browser window on your computer, giving you access to all your stored images. Browse through your files and select the image you want to upload and analyze. Once you've made your selection, click Open to confirm. The image will then be uploaded to the platform, and you should see it appear in the interface, ready for analysis. With your image successfully uploaded, navigate to the prompt input area. This is typically located near the image preview and will have placeholder text that says something like "Start typing a prompt." Click inside this text field and type your question or instruction for the AI. For example, you might type, "What is this image about?" This prompt tells the AI exactly what kind of information you're looking for, whether it's a general description, specific details, or identification of objects within the image. After typing your prompt, look for the Run button, which may also display Control as a keyboard shortcut option. Click this button to submit your request to the AI. The system will now begin processing your image along with your prompt. Be patient at this stage and wait for a few seconds while the AI generates its response. Depending on the complexity of your image and the specificity of your prompt, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to slightly longer. Once the processing is complete, you'll see the AI's analysis appear on your screen, providing you with detailed information about your image. And there you have it. You've successfully used Google AI Studio to upload, scan, and analyze an image using artificial intelligence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.